bet you said number 3. Look, this is the number 3. 1, 2, 3. Are you ready to make a number 3 with me? Get your marker ready. And here's the board. If you know how to make a 3, you can make it with me. But if you don't, first watch, okay? Let's go. Round and around like a busy bee. That's the way to make a 3. 1, 2, 3. Shall we do it again? All right, let's go. Around and around like a busy bee. That's the way to make a 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow. We made 2, 1, 2, number 3s. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 dots are on the number 3. Let's count this one.